How to fix this broken RCA connector without soldering. Here's one that's in good condition. You can see that the metal contact point has broken off of this one. The easy fix looks like you can just put a new contact point on there, right? But it's not that easy. The easiest fix is to just cut it and solder in a new connector. But some of us aren't good at soldering, right? So what we're gonna do is use one of these bad boys from Amazon, a solderless adapter. All you need is a small Phillips screwdriver. So usually for these we have green would be the hot and white would be ground. And usually the middle point there is the hot and the ones around ground. So off camera, I fixed up these wires. Green is plus, white is negative. So you're gonna put these into their respective ports and simply tighten down the Phillips heads. Once you got that done, this is ready to go. So let's test it out. Right now, only the right-hand speaker is working. And as soon as I plug this in, it should kick in. Oh, there you go. Ah, yeah, there we go, you guys. Fixed. Don't get copyrighted now. So this is a really easy fix. Let's save some of these old electronics that use RCA connectors. So I hope you learned something. Have a good day.